Nataka selfie, niko na BBT, akapiga screenshot ya live.
Show your love for Kwaliman all the way from Kampala, Uganda. Peter Mpamire.
Welcome, 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 welcome. Welcome. I'm very happy to meet you. To me what? My name is Teacher Mpamire. Teacher Mpamiwati. My name is Teacher Mpamire from Uganda. From where? From Uganda. How are you, Kenya? How are you, Kewati? How are you, Kewati? I bring you greetings from His Excellency President Museveni. Musewati. Museveni is the only president in East Africa with 114 presidential advisors, some of whom have never met him. And even when they meet him, it is him who advises them. Are we together? 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 Anyway, I'm very proud to be here, and I thank God that we are still alive. Arawati? We are still Arawati? We are still alive, and we thank God because life is very important. Impawati? Life is very important, that without it, you would be dead. You would be what? Ask your neighbor, are you dead or alive? Are you dead or Arawati? Much as life is important, but this world is more important. Importantawati? You know, we are living in a wonderful world, but this world is also confusing. What? This world is so confusing that we do not know who is the confuser and the confusee. What? Ask your neighbor, are you the confuser or confusee? Are we together? During those days, a friend in need was a friend in need. Right now, a friend in need is a parasite in need. What went wrong? Ask your neighbor what went wrong. What? We are living in such a confused world. We are living in a confused world. Every institution is confusing. Police is confusing civilians. Civilians are confusing police. During those days, the role of police was to maintain law and what class? And what class? I don't want chorus answers. Order. Or what? Right now, it is the order that is maintaining the police. Are we together? Are we together? Are we to what? And that is order from above. What went wrong at Rangata Tiagas? Rangata what? Everything is getting confused. We got to teachers. Tiwati? Teachers are confusing students. Students are confusing it. A teacher comes to class and say, Kilawati. If I have 2 mangoes in one hand plus 2 apples in another hand, how many oranges do I have in total? Are we together? Are we to what? Are we to what? Are we to what? Then another mathematics teacher comes and says, Kilawati. Kamau bought his car at River Road. Then he fueled it at Ingara and lost it at Kayole. So, using colored pencils, draw a sketch map of East Africa showing Kamau's car. Are we together? Where we do not know who is the confuser and the confuati. What went wrong? Ask your neighbor, what went wrong? What went what? All this comes because of what we call colonialism. What? If it had not been colonialism, Africans, we would have been better. Clap for that. Are we together? Are we to what? It is because of colonialism that even when people go onto Google, they no longer type why, but how. How what? How to fly to America without a visa. How to be adopted by Madonna. It is no longer a question of why, but how. Why, but how what? That's why as teacher Mpamire, I've realized that the only solution we have is to change our curriculum and it becomes African based. For example, a teacher should come to class and say, match the following animals with their sounds, with their sawati. A cat says meow. Meow what? Meow what? Tell your neighbor meow. As a cow says moo. Moo what? So meaning that Luo women are to gadgets as Kiambu women are to what? Are to wallets. Are we together? Are we together? Are we together? That's why as a teacher Mpamire, I've realized the only solution is to share this surface called Nti. Tell your neighbor Nti. Tell your neighbor Nti. Repeat after me Nti. This is a special announcement. It goes to the Kenyan Parliament. Kenyans are claiming you are so silent, especially on youth unemployment, plus teachers' salary increment, yet you are becoming so extravagant. That's why pigs enter the parliament. Are we together? Are we to what? Are we to what? Anyway, I'm so proud of your president. Uhuru is very brilliant. He has encouraged development. That's why he was proved innocent at the ICC judgment. ICC is like a serpent. It should leave the African continent because it is a colonial age, as said by the Ugandan president, who doesn't want to go into retirement.